Hi, I'm Lucy.
I'm Yvie.
We are
Moontan Babes.
We live in Burlington, Vermont.
And this is our BCA studio tour.
Which is really just my bedroom because we work from home. And this is our manager, Gus. He is very demanding. Moontan Babes is our upcycled slow fashion brand. Come with us on our creative process. Today we are going thrifting for pieces to upcycle at the resource. Our process involves a lot of patching, so as I'm thrifting, I'm looking for interesting graphics that would look cool chopped up and patched onto another article of clothing. Haul obtained and home to work. We found this fabulous handmade quilt with all these clowns on it in different colors that I knew would have to go on some sweaters. Here I've already sewn the patch onto the inside of the sweater with the sewing machine. Now I'm cutting out like a peekaboo hole in the sweater so that the patch shows through. And here you can see it a bit more clearly. It's so cute! Here is Evie posing with a bunch more that we made at the market. Switching gears from clothing to jewelry, we're going to finish some half-made earrings. Here is a tiny peek into our much larger bead collection, and here are my favorite earrings we made today. I'll finish hand sewing one more patch onto a shirt that we got earlier. Then we load up all of our creations onto our cart and we push it down from the Old North End to Church Street.
Ready?
Every Thursday and Friday evening, we set up right outside between Slate and 10,000 Villages. We sell collages, ceramics, our jewelry, upcycled clothing, and thrifted and vintage clothing. So come check us out Thursdays and Fridays on Church Street and Saturdays at the Art Market in City Hall Park. Now I get to shift gears and start sketching things to make at the BCA Clay Studio. Here are some little incense holders that I've been making, and I've also been making little trays for them to sit on. And this is how cute they are. I'm obsessed with them. And now I get to create something new. I had an idea to make a little butter dish that is a little cat. So here I am sculpting the head of it. I could just put the ears on, and here it is. Then I added some features, and it looks so cute and angry. Then I put a body on. I also sculpted some mugs and this little Tamagotchi tray and this little bunny that I think is so cute. Here's a look at my studio shelf with everything I've made on it, minus what is in the kiln right now. Finally, to decompress and get out of production mode, I just get to paint. This is a personal project. I've been challenging myself to paint really abstractly, which is different for me. I had my partner's 6-year-old daughter over to help me with this piece, and collaborating with her reminded me to get out of my own head and just have fun pushing around paint on a canvas and seeing what happens.
Thank you so much for watching. If you are interested in seeing even more of our creations, our Instagram is at Moontan_Babes. And if you're in the area, please come visit us on Church Street Thursday and Friday evenings, and at the BCA Art Market on Saturdays 11 to 3. Can't wait to see you. Bye. Bye.